Password reset to your account with verified link. Visit website. Log into your account by entering the remembered email and password. If you find an error on login page, please click on Forgot Password link. Enter registered email to get the password reset link and click on Recover button. An email with the reset link will be sent. Check your mail and click on the link sent for reset purpose. Enter new password and click on Change Password. Your password will be reset. Enter email and new password. Complete the two-factor authentication by entering the OTP sent to you. You will be redirected to dashboard. Thank you for watching. Happy signing.